in this presentation, we are going to learn about bases, and we will see which bases are soluble in water. A base is a compound that reacts with an acid to neutralize it. The alkalis are bases that dissolve in water, so they are a specific kind of bases. If you take a look at this diagram, you see that there is a wide range of bases. There's copper oxide, zinc hydroxide, iron 3 oxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and ammonium hydroxide. But out of those 6 bases, there are only 3 that are soluble in water, and those are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and ammonium hydroxide. And because those 3 are bases that dissolve in water, we call them alkalis.